something to be said about how you feel the room up. You want
Yung lyrics siya na tinanggal yung letter C, tapos yung Shen, Chinese word ng ibig sabihin, malalim na pag-iisip. Malalim na pag-iisip ng lyrics ang ibig sabihin.
So kung nagtataka kayo bakit Lyre Shen yung pinangalan namin, kasi konektado siya sa trabaho ko. Kasi yun yung trabaho ko about sa music.
be alone all the time. I wish for more, a way to sweep you off the floor.
Lily, happy birthday. Sana lumaki kang healthy lagi. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
The simple things we're made of.
Lily, happy birthday. First birthday. Sana maging malusog ka at masigla palagi. Saka hindi magkakasakit. Lumaki matalino, mabait. Mana sa mami niya, sa lola niya. Lumaki maging maayos at maganda.
Wish for more, a way to sweep you off the floor. The simple things we're made of. The simple things we're made of. You will never see me cry.
Happy first birthday, Lily. We love you. And God bless you always. And good health.
Breaking, shaking, looking like you're faking, feeling like you're on the run. Breaking, shaking, looking like you're faking, tell me am I not?
Ayun, Lily, happy first birthday anak. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng mami mo. Hiling ko lang maging mabait ka na bata at maging masunurin sa mami mo, sa akin, at syempre sa mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Yun lang, mahal na mahal ka namin at hiling ko lang sana humingi ka pa ng kapatid sa mami mo.
Feeling like you're on the run. Breaking, shaking, looking like you're faking, tell me am I number one?
Happy first birthday, Lily. Mahal na mahal kita kahit minsan nagiging dragon na si Mami. Kahit 1-year-old ka pa lang, nakikita ko na yung pagiging dragon ko sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita at nakikita ko na yung kakulitan mo, pero mas okay yon kaysa may sakit. Aalagaan ka namin hanggang kaya namin.
Hanggang kaya namin. Ayun, happy
We love
birthday
you.
anak. I love you. Happy first birthday, Lily. We love you.